Okay, so today is an unboxing. This unboxing is bonus content for the second channel. I made this for the Kiesel guys because they wanted to see my reaction to the guitar because I didn't know what they were sending me. But to see a full in-depth deep dive of this guitar, you can click the link down below and learn even more. We're reacting to a brand new guitar. So the fine folks at Kiesel Guitars asked me to do this video and asked me to react. I have no idea what this guitar is. This is apparently a brand new model for 2025 and there's something exciting about it. So we'll see what that is. I literally have no clue, like the color, the model. I kind of got the impression that oh, is that the name? I can't, the name of the guitar. Okay, ready? Let's slide this out of this box in its case and get rid of that. There you go. Okay, so should I read this? There's like a letter here. This is the Kyber. I'm pretty sure it's Kyber, K-Y-B-E-R. Named after the crystal that gives power to the and unique color to the iconic futuristic saber weapon. Oh, like a Kyber crystal, Star Wars. Ah, see, I should be paying attention. So I got that. I don't want to read this. I don't want to read this. I want to look at, let's react to the guitar. I got it facing towards you. This is actually, okay, a couple things. We're gonna see. Come on, let's keep the anticipation up. Let's see. All right, so, oh, constant tremolo arm, so that's a giveaway. It comes with the Kiesel adjustment tool wrench system. Comes with a quality inspection list and a card for their plugins. So there you go. There's the inspection, and let's see if there's anything else. And that's it for that. Okay, ready? Oh, whoa! I thought it was gonna be like a Strat style guitar. This is crazy. This is crazy. Okay, ready? Whoa, whoa. It's so light. This is crazy. Look at that headstock. So it's not just a new model, new headstock. This is so crazy. One volume knob, coil split, three-way switch, roasted maple neck, locking tuning keys. We're honored to be a part of your musical journey. Oh, it's a thank you card from Kiesel Guitars, signed by Jeff Kiesel and Mark Kiesel. All right, so let's see what it says. Has a reverse headstock, tropical finish, right? Clear satin matte finish, I got that right. Lithium and beryllium pickups. Hey, that's my favorite setup, so I'm sure that was done on purpose. Bird's eye maple fretboard, which looks absolutely gorgeous. Look at that fretboard. Look at how nice that is. It's crazy. Then we have staggered offset dots, roasted maple neck. So it's really cool. So it's got the roasted quarter sawn maple neck, but then the traditional bird's eye maple fretboard. 24 stainless steel frets, headstock color to match. And I like, it's just got the K instead of Kiesel because I'm sure there's no room to put the Kiesel logo. I like that. That's a cool touch. Truss rod cover delete. Thinner neck profile. Yeah, I'd say that feels fast. And the soft case, but it doesn't say what the body is. Am I missing something? All right. So let's see what it says. It says 6-string Kybers configured with a standard woods and a fixed bridge, weighing at 6 pounds or under. And it's not that I don't believe them. I believe them, but come on, we're gonna check. 6 pounds or under, huh? 6.33 pounds, or for you overseas, 2.87 kilograms. Yep. Okay, so apparently they're boasting they come super light. Okay, that checks. Let's see. Kiesel's most extreme arm bend. Yeah, this is pretty crazy. Look at that, right? Look how crazy that is. Right? That's nuts. So, I mean, oh, that's just sick. It's just nice. Okay, back to me. Okay, it says hidden strap buttons. Oh, okay, that makes sense. So you can't see them here because one is right there, and one's there. And I'm sure they're balanced out. Really cool. Output jack is right here. Ergonomic comfort, extreme lower horn cut. Yep, I see that right here. You can see, like, look at that, how crazy that is. Okay, ready? Available in 6 and 7 strings. Fixed or tremolo. This has the tremolo, of course. This is the hip shot bridge, the Kiesel hip shot bridge. Very cool. And then 3-way toggle switch, confirmed. And single volume knob, so that's standard with the coil split. All right, always save the best last. So they told me there was gonna be something exciting about the price. This guitar is $1,599 US. It's a $1,600 guitar, $1,599. So it's a new model at the lowest price point that they currently offer. They want to do something new for 2025, something radical. I think they achieved that. I don't know why I'm looking at my screen. You should look at your screen. And they not only achieved that, they did something really cool. They knew, think about this, they know players like the guitar's light. So by the way, this is 24 stainless steel frets. As far as I know, and graphite nut. Think about this. This is a guitar for $1,600 made in the USA, ultra light, sick, ultra playable, and comes with the deluxe gig bag. That's pretty cool for $1,600. So that's pretty impressive. Okay, so what we'll do now is we'll do a deep dive on it, and we'll learn even more about it.